Frustrated? Well, we all are, all of the time. No time, no feel, no technique, no nothing. You should have been cooking out there. Well, let's do some cooking. Start by putting some olive oil in a Dutch oven or a big pan. Get it on medium heat and then prep the vegetables. Just an onion, celery and carrot. Easy. Now we got some real cooking going on here, but the vegetables will need a few more minutes. So get your canned tomatoes ready and up with your marimba mallets. Now I would highly recommend these ones, Vic Firth M4 or other marimba mallets because they're stiff. You see, it's wood, it's hard, not those vibraphone ones that's flexible because the tomatoes won't dig that. So start by playing a few rudiments. Me, myself, I would start with the Swiss triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So you can do all kinds of rudiments for this. Paradiddle diddle, or regular paraphernalia. Good. Now flip them over. You can put something underneath so that they don't move, like that. And then turn the sticks over and play like that. Buica. Latin percussion. And don't play too loud because the tomatoes needs soft handling at this moment. And they're almost ready to go in the pot. I think they're ready now. So, open them up. Looking good, right? And you actually could eat this. This is decent food. Obviously, I'm not going to do it. This is just for like rhythmic purposes only. So I'll get rid of it in the trash. And yeah, that's all for today. Keep on practicing and get your cooking going. Thank you and goodbye.